Hello everyone and good morning. I've been asked to do some clarification on how we add our decision on the RIS system. I think the other video I did yesterday was a bit quick and I did not capture most of the question that has came, so I'm doing another one now. So how we start this by going to RAD Center Patient Management, and I'm sure you all have access to this. And what you do, you would add your username and password as usual, and this will get you into the patient records. Um, what we'll do now is we'll go find and register patient, and you either can use the attendance number, NHS number, hospital number, which is this BHRT number, or patient name. I'm going to use a test patient name so that we can use this as an example. It's not the quickest system, so just have to bear with this. It takes only a couple of seconds until it goes to the patient you're requesting. Choose anyone. I'm going to choose anyone here. And for example, this is ultrasound pelvis, but let's assume this is a CT scan. So we double click on this. On the top here, you will have these sort of multiple icons. There's one grade here, which is next to start. As you hover, it will show you what this icon does. It says comments. So when you press on this comments, this will allow you to add your decision. So there are three spaces here. The one in the middle is the attendance number. You only use this space to add your comments and your decision if you have an attendance number, which means the scan form has been received by radiology and been scanned by the radiographers on this system. But usually when they call us during on-call or during duty radiologists, it's not already there. So you will not have attendance number ready. So you will use any of the patient entries, and then you go to the patient record and write your decision. I have prepared one document here which we talked about yesterday, so I'm just going to copy and paste into the patient area, right? And then you say date of time, for example 18th of November 2020. Patient hospital number, you're on the same patient, you may want to add this or no, it's up to you. Clinical history, pain, question mark, obstruction, and examination we want that you're going to ask for, CT cap with IV contrast. So it doesn't take that much time really. You'll either use creatinine or AGFR, let's say it's 45. You're going to give contrast yes, IV hydration, you could either erase it or just say not applicable, and you of course agreeing on this as a radiologist, and then you could just remove the agreed. Here we go, and then comments and your name, and then you go down here and press OK, and this will save it, and press OK again. So this is now saved. If you want to go back to this patient for any reason, you can go to File. You'll find the patient that you've been on to here, but you're still on it down here, so that's why it's not showing. So if we come out of this patient by pressing Close Current Patient, now this patient will disappear from the bottom, but you can get to this patient by going to File, and this is the patient we were on before. If you had 10 patients here on this single entry, you would have them here. So go back to this patient now, and then now you've got a green comment box. So if you press here, this is what you will find, what you've left here. And usually radiographers will follow this out, they will not change it because they don't need to change anything about it. So just to cap it up again, you go to patient history. If you found the attendance number, you choose it. If you don't find, you choose the most recent one, and then you go to comments, and then you add this here. Or if you don't want to do this, if you go, sorry, this is popping up. If you close this patient out, go to the patient again, you could go straight away to patient comment and add your comment here straight away. Of course, you could populate many of these messages, for example, say rejected, and have one for rejected, one for approval, and all the stuff. For it's up to you how you want to do it. I hope this is clear. If you still have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact the PACS team to help you, or you can just message me or email me to ask me about this. But as we said, it's expectation this is going to be used for everyone we authorize and we discuss over the phone, either when we are doing the duty radiologist or we are on call, just to enable us to pass through the phase until the PGD is approved, because we are required to add our decision as a doctors, as per agency guidelines, on a legal patient record, and ours is our patient record. Once you finish from this, now close and you can exit the system, or you could keep it in the background because you're going to be using it for a long time. I hope this was helpful. Again, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you. Bye bye.